Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I just thought I should make some random video just talking about Turkish series, some of the popular ones and the one which is very underrated, which you must watch. Also sharing the glimpse of my day. So yeah, let's begin. I'm just waiting for my cab driver to come. I'm going to a mall, so I have to buy a gift, a birthday gift for my father. His birthday is coming, it's just nearby, so I'll be buying the gift, plus I'll be talking about Turkish series as well with you all. So currently, I'm currently watching one of the popular Turkish series, which is Gal Kapkini. Like, I have watched few episodes, but I never watched this series completely. So I'm currently watching it, and it is so addictive. So if you haven't watched this, you can watch it. In fact, let me tell you that if you are like looking to binge watch this in Urdu or Hindi dub, you can watch on Amazon MX Player as well. So it's currently available in Hindi dubbed on there. You can watch it from there. So yeah. Got this gift for my father, so it's done. And now I'll be having something in lunch and I'll be watching Turkish series. So usually whenever I eat something inside my room, I always binge watch Turkish series. In fact, yesterday I was watching Yali Chapkini. Right now I'm thinking to binge watch season finale of Ashraf Ruya or Uzak Sahir. Sahib Sizzler finale has been done. So these are some of the recent popular Turkish series which you guys must watch. These are very binge worthy. So Ashraf Ruya and Uzak Sahir are kind of a mafia romance Turkish series, but Uzak Sahir has more of a family drama. Not They both are not similar completely, but it has that romance and the chemistry between both the actors in Ashraf and Uzak Sahir is very good, as well as Sahib Sizzler. Sahib Sizzler is my personal favorite. So also I'm watching underrated Turkish series, which I will reveal you later. I'm thinking to binge watch that also. Let me decide which one I will watch. Also, my parents are watching that underrated Turkish series as well. So yeah, first I'll have my lunch and then you can see what I'm binge watching. So this is my lunch. This is chicken puff. I'll be having this. Plus, I decided to watch Ashraf Ruya season finale, which I haven't watched yet. So I'll watch this one. So yeah, after that, I'm thinking to binge watch something else as well, which I'll show to you. Okay guys, so I finished watching season finale episode of Ashraf Ruya. So if you haven't watched this series, you can watch on Turkish 123 website with English subtitles. So it has romance, action, thrill, suspense. Plus, if you are looking to binge watch which has mafia romance, then you should watch this one. It's a perfect choice to binge watch. Plus, I love the chemistry between Dimit and Cacte. They look so good together. You will enjoy binge watching their chemistry. So yeah, if you haven't watched it, you should watch this one. So this is the show which I was talking about. It's Jan Bosu. In English we say Hidden Destiny. This is the underrated series. Very beautiful, very emotional, and a must watch. It just had its season finale. You can watch this. It's also available on YouTube with English subtitles. You can watch it from there. Okay guys, so this was the Turkish series which I was talking about, Jan Bosu. In English we say Hidden Destiny. So I just binge watched with my parents, and guys, if you are looking to binge watch something which has a great storyline, you should watch this one. The performance of every actor is so real in this series. I loved the performance as well. Plus, it keep you hooked throughout the episode. Plus, it has suspense also. So it's very interesting series to binge watch. Also the recent one. So it just had its season finale. It will be back with season 2 as well. That date is not confirmed yet. But yes, you can binge watch the season 1 of the series. So you can binge watch on Turkish 123 website with English subtitles. So yeah, and now I'm very exhausted. I'll be sleeping and I'll be coming in further further videos episodes, sorry. So further videos I'll be posting. So please let me know the suggestions, like what recommendations, like what topics which you want me to post on. So I would love to know that, and I would love to read your comments. So yeah, that's it.